Hello guys, welcome again to our video tutorials. So our topic today is all about heat transfer by radiation. Here is our sample problem. The metal pipe with an outside diameter of 0.06 meter and a temperature of 130 Kelvin is exposed to ambient conditions at 300 Kelvin. The surface has an emissivity of 0.5 and a convection coefficient of heat transmission of 12.35 watts per square meter Kelvin. Determine the heat transfer via radiation. So we have our given here for length 1 meter and the diameter 0.06 meter times and the temperature 1 and temperature 2 430 and 300 Kelvin and the emissivity 0.5 times um, the the coefficient of heat transmission, which is 12.35 watts per square meter Kelvin, and our Stefan Boltzmann constant 5.67 times 10 raised to negative 8. So next, since we don't have an area here, we need to calculate it first. So pi times the diameter times the length. So pi times 0.06 meter times 1. So we have our area 0.188 square meter. So since we have all our values, we will just plug in all in our formula for heat transfer by radiation, which is emissivity times the Stefan Boltzmann constant times the area times the temperature T1 minus T2. So 0.5 times 5.67 times 10 raised to negative 8 times 0.188 square meter times 430 Kelvin raised to 4 minus 300 Kelvin raised to 4. So we have our final answer here for this problem, 139.04 watts.